Yeah. We're rolling. Oh, hey, my brother.
We're rolling.
We're rolling.
We're rolling.
Apparently.
Hey, man, hey, man.
King no soul.
Man, ish kim khatalo, man, ish. Pero what December, man, you know what's the truth.
Yeah. Whilst you're on that, guys, we are back. Njengomqolo.
Njengomqolo, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Njengomqolo, boy.
Yeah.
Back with your banger. What up? It's your boy, Shlatty to the TT for the one T for Nguba Baba, because you know we're always keeping people warm out here on the streets. And it's 26, baby.
Kina no ipresa mai.
Singaflex. Yeah, man, it's 2026. We back. What about December? Stuff. What up, man?
Hi, ke batla go botsa wena. What happened this December?
Damn, man.
I saw you a couple of times and then.
Hey, man.
What happened, dog?
A lot happened this December, boy. I'm singing officially. So if any of the mommies are looking,
wait.
holla at your boy.
You too.
Yeah, man, I'm single. That's crazy.
Michael, King, camera operator, are you singing?
Take
the mic.
Hey, it's crazy now. No,
you are not singing.
Shout out to everybody that's still in there.
No, you can hold it up.
Shout out to everybody that's still in a relationship.
After December. Okay, let's talk about this before we become serious. What's going on in December? December is no longer December.
December lately has been work. Now, I feel like now we are growing, bro. Like we are old, we're becoming older, and there's no longer that hype that we're, hey, salo baya body wine. Remember when you were in high school? Yeah, salo baba wine.
Okay, wait, now wine. Now next one wine.
Hey, nigga.
I used to sell weed, Joe. I had money.
We.
I used to sell weed in high school, so I had money, dog. Yeah.
So you're drinking boy Hennessy?
Aye, Hennessy. Russian bear.
I remember the Smirnoff days.
It's 1818, yeah.
Yeah, but like I was saying, like Christmas used to slap when you know you was turning past as a Christmas. When you know you're gonna be dripped out on that day, I'm telling you.
25.
Yeah, it's on Friday.
But how was your Christmas feeling?
Dog, my Christmas was amazing. Yeah, shout out Christmas. I was hosting at my.
Shout out Christmas.
Yeah, shout out Christmas. Christmas no nothing. Christmas was fun. I was hosting my family. I had a smaller nyana.
Oh yeah, until we met on the day.
Yeah.
Now I was going somewhere.
Yeah, also me afterwards. You know, after the lunch, after the food has landed, went out with my boys. Yeah, man, had fun, man.
Yeah. Our Christmas is no longer the
same. Your Christmas?
No, I was with my dude.
No family Christmas with the friends.
We were friends are family these days.
I mean,
yeah. So I was with them. We went to
family. We picked.
We went to the West End field. Go Willow Park.
Oh yeah, that's when I met you. I actually dropped you off.
You dropped me off by the house and then we left.
Shit, I forgot. Hey, I had it.
That was nice.
That's nice.
Yeah. But again,
how's the reception that side in the West End?
Now I'm used to it.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, we like see yeah.
But the vibe is proper that side.
I think it's just because the hard
actually that's what I wanted to say, but I was keeping it.
We are singing, Baba. What are you?
I've been in a relationship so bad that it's like, yo, boy, I gotta do what I gotta do, man.
Yeah.
Gotta do what I gotta do, man.
But then, that side is proper.
Hey, man.
Have you ever been that side?
I'm from Soweto, dog.
Hans from Soweto, Willow Park, that's one.
I'm from good places.
Which one is bad?
Which one is bad?
Which one is bad?
It's always gonna be Soweto because of my.
Shout out Soweto in the chat. Shout out Soweto in the chat.
Yeah, you see a lot, man. Willow Park, they're proper. Yeah.
Oh, so you're trying to say the Hans in Soweto are not proper? Is that what you're trying to say? Don't get us cancelled on the first episode of the year.
Yeah.
Don't get us cancelled on the first episode of the year.
That would be fucked up.
That would be crazy.
What are you trying to say?
I'm not saying they're not proper, but they are different.
Yeah.
You know, Kazi Hans,
just kidding.
When you think Kazi sometimes, because of the how many they are, the custard,
yeah.
So you're gonna always assume beach. You still don't see beaches.
Like, but aren't they the most notorious bitches for phela laba banemali laba. They don't do it live in our faces, yabo.
I think it's in the bad day. It's not really fair.
Oh yeah.
Then you get the baddies. Shout out to all the baddies. Please flood my DMs there. I'm seeing you. Shout out to all
Oh
the
yeah.
baddies.
Anyway, Pretty Boy G couldn't make it.
Yeah. Shout out Pretty Boy G, man. I hope you had a lovely Christmas and a
Yeah,
happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Fortunate. You know when I'm on the pod, some of your favorites is missing. Ah, come on, man. I feel like a replacement to this team sometimes. Because when one of them is calling in sick, I need to save the team. But you know
last
what?
time you were you were with us.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my own podcast. Watch the spaces.
Soon, yeah, soon.
Yeah.
Let's continue, my brother. Okay, can next gossip today, yabo.
Unfortunately.
On that note, no guys, I don't know.
Unfortunately.
I don't know what your take on this. I think as South Africans,
Yeah.
I don't know who's coveting us, but then someone is responsible for this. Let me check the source. Just to give it sure, So now what's going on is they found a diamond, dog. That is worth $40 million.
He found
In South Africa. I don't know who found it. Mara ba tlhaisa ditsamaiso, ba tlhaisa makgowa. That's the problem.
They couldn't get to it any quick.
Yeah, you see,
Yeah.
so now that's the problem. So now what I'm trying to ask is, who do you think is going to take this diamond away from South Africa? Because obviously it's yethu. Mara yethu.
I think it depends on it was like a mine or they found it.
Let me check.
What mine is it?
Okay, wait. It's a rare blue diamond weighing nearly 42 carats, dog. Has been discovered at South Africa's Cullinan mine.
If it's a mine chief, it's going abroad.
So we don't. It's no longer ours.
Nah, it's no longer
If you own a mine chief,
How much did they say it's worth?
$40 million.
$40 million.
Yeah.
They're gonna buy it with $40 million. Then sell it back to us at like $160 million.
Oh, dog.
You
And
can never know.
let me see. The gem belongs to.
His son kissed in Tanam. Oh my God! Oh, I hope the people can see my son kissed in
Obvious.
This year I'm singing in Tana like muhle.
And when you said you're gonna be wolfing this year, what's going on?
I realized with wolfing, I don't look nice as a wolf.
How do you know?
This year I'm trying to push the pretty boy swag.
Oh.
Watch the YouTube, man. Wave gang, I'm coming for you this year. I'm just trying to look pretty, man, for that.
Now waves. I think waves, ne? I think I need to have money first.
Nah.
Don't brush every day, When Antonio, you always have trends. Last time,
the shushu is. No, hey, boy, the shushu is crazy.
And then another thing, Trevor Noah, done. This guy has a record. Who hosted the Grammys for the 6th and final time right now.
Let's clap it up for
6
Trev.
times.
Let's clap it up for Trev. Let's clap it up
Trevor
for Trev.
Noah.
Shout out Trevor Noah.
He's doing a lot.
Must come to Chilana. Maybe to Chilana to Shanga
Seven a podcast.
Everyone
Everyone has a podcast now.
Actually, I wanted to ask you a question. Since like everybody is in the podcasting game right now, would you go as a guest on someone else's podcast
Who,
since
me?
you are a podcast? Yeah,
Yeah, I don't mind.
you don't mind.
I don't mind.
I read
As long as they
something
won't
off the
ask
net.
me.
I read something off the net saying other podcasters don't want to go into other people's podcast because of what I'm the big
Asimic G.
podcast. No, it can't be Mac. I'm not gonna say who because like hey, I don't
Max
wanna.
strikes me as that guy.
Do the first episode.
Now I won't do that.
I think makes chief has to do about goal like.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's a Malay, like I don't think he's like if you are cool in my opinion.
Yeah, man, make G sponsor us. We need a chillers punch, man. Come on.
Yeah,
G.
Ocean
Sponsor
Basket.
us.
Konje
Yeah,
King.
what you
Oh, I just called it Ocean Basket. Konje King.
Ish.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you can see,
we are empty, guys.
this year we're coming in with a different guys.
Yeah, but then now we might still continue.
Yeah,
continue
we're still in negotiations with
we
our
have to be in.
proud sponsor Crystal Bear. Hence why you're not seeing their banner today because we're still revisiting that
terms and
contract. But
conditions, but is it
Mac
up?
G, if you're watching this episode, bro, Chillers Punch.
Yeah.
Chillers Punch. We just need a young sponsor said Chillers Punch.
We don't need- yeah, they can.
I mean, we're the hottest podcast in the
In the
Eastern
Eastern
End.
End,
Come
yeah.
on, man. Come on, man. Yo, Mac G.
I forgot about
Sponsor
that.
the Eastern End. Come on, man.
But then
yeah.
in what's this? In regards of our podcast and whatnot.
Yeah.
Let me see. Like interfunugation. Like, do you think is it? You see what we did
Yeah.
for this December, because we didn't stop shooting because of umnandi and things like that.
Yeah.
We chose.
It was a strategic
Yeah,
decision,
we chose quality over
quantity.
So do you think other podcasts and other like abantu abadila content, do you think they do that or
I mean, nowadays it's like, that's a tricky one, man. That's a very tricky one because if you look at it, it's not to produce proper quality,
yeah,
but it's also nice to have
the quantity.
a sort of like
Discog.
Yeah, what is Discog?
My numbers.
Oh, numbers, Discog. But yeah, like also having like a catalog for people to go back and watch, you know, that's also nice because you come across a first time.
It's a catalog. Not
catalog.
Discog is for music, ne? Yeah, it's music. Yeah, it's
so you see, like you come across a first time subscriber, and a first time subscriber is a person that wants to watch as much
and
content.
then we sound like voice notes.
And I mean, that's the crazy part of it.
Focusing on quality is essential.
Yeah.
You know, like with piano now, everyone is a piano artist.
Yeah.
But they're not producing the same quality.
The same quality.
Yeah.
We are comes with our craft. I don't want to mention someone.
Than who? Than Moporisa. Moporisa also takes on quality. Who? Jaivani.
I almost said, I don't know.
Jaivani.
Yeah, Jaivani. I don't know.
Okay, it's the first episode of the year.
Oh, not the
You don't want to
Happy New Year.
We back, baby.
We back. Oh, that's the whole thing. And so, you know what's nice about being like upcoming? You can say whatever you want to say until you have to give PR answers. Yeah?
Up until you have to meet these niggas in the club.
Oh no, I don't care. We don't get
Actually, this year I was thinking we need to have some beef, man.
Who do you want to be with?
I don't know, man. Like, let's go poke the bear, man. Like,
you want beef?
Like, let's go beef,
okay,
man. Like, if anybody's looking for a piece of beef, we have a table. Let's go, man. Like, I feel like we need to be beefing with a podcast, another podcast. That's the thing. We're the only podcast like that I'm seeing in the East End, right? Yeah. So, but it's back on.
Yeah.
Trying to beef with me, I'm outside. I'm outside, bring it on. When I want to talk shit on a podcast about me, I'm also a co-host of Chilanan.
You know what's the
when
problem?
When I get my chance, I'm outside. Whoa, nigga, whoa. Niggas,
I'm trying to say
outside.
something.
Whoa, niggas, I am outside. If you want to beef this year, I'm outside. Oh, come on.
You know what's the problem there?
Yeah.
I wonder why I go put a tukchola.
Oh, really now?
Too much, that's why. Because it's
I'm going to say that on a public platform.
Oh, Mara, you told us that you're single, man.
I am single.
Oh.
Doesn't mean we're not in the streets, though.
So, which you've been in the streets?
No, I haven't been.
Your baby girl should look into that.
No.
Exia high, look into that.
Nah, I just came back. Came back recently, man. And I must say, being single is quite nice. I don't want to lie.
How long have you been singing?
I think I've been singing for, let's say, a month.
So basically December of it.
Nah, not December of it.
It's quite nice. Let's change the date.
Are you sure?
Quite nice. I mean, there's cons and Byron cons.
Pros and cons.
Pros and cons, yeah. To it, but it's like, come on, man.
The pro is, what are the cons?
Gets lonely at night, my dog.
Yeah.
Gets lonely, boy. I'm telling you, you go outside and niggas are saying, yo, think for the media, I'm gonna check the shop. That boy, dog, you have no one to call, boy. You have no one to call.
Yeah.
And the good thing about it is like, dog, the stress, dog. I feel like I am more relaxed, more calm now. Because now I don't have someone who's stressing me out. Shit like that. So like right now, whoever is with me right now, it's just I can only talking stage. I can only talking stage. But ladies, I'm available. Hit me up.
I'm not talking stage.
I can only talking stage.
Nagnali phone.
When I want into a talk, I can into a talking stage. Yo.
Magana talking stage is a real life.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I not cool.
Now we let's check my connection.
Aye. Hlangana nawo phela yazi nahlele khoneni baba what's the matter blom team you know we blom there my brother ne we can blom for like the whole day ne nothing to do aye sharp uzodlula uyi-1 nge mistake
yeah so
talking stage qala lapho yeah but then I just fixed my phone think it's gonna
Yeah,
be.
shout out. Hey, you must check out the guests for this year.
Yeah, when?
It's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, Pretty Boy told me
It's
something.
gonna be
Hey,
crazy,
Lena,
man.
Pretty Boy, we are waiting.
Working,
Because I
very
also have
crazy.
some archives there.
What do you think about this? What are your plans for like?
For
Let's
this year?
not like. I'm saying plans, but like, what do you have in mind for Chile and Army podcast 2026?
A lot.
Yeah, just give us two off the top of your mind.
Themes.
Themes, shout
Yeah, I
out.
wanna like holidays. Halloween. Not so serious.
Okay.
I wanna be for Christmas this year.
Yeah, we saying we're dressing up this
We're
year.
dressing up, dog. Yeah.
Guys.
June 16, we're about the uniform.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, things like that. And then proper guests, because now we have the right equipment and everything.
Equipment, yeah.
And then the sponsors are on man. So that's the only
Yeah,
thing.
man. Yeah, man. Me, what I'm looking forward to this year.
Post groove.
Post Group Podcast. Oh, PG Podcast is gonna officially drop under Chila Nami Network.
Yeah, it's gonna be a network now.
That's one thing I'm excited for. It's gonna be I'm gonna be the host and my boy Nick. We're not sure yet
Yeah,
if
Nick,
he's
we're not
still
sure
gonna
about him. Yeah.
if he's still gonna wanna hop on. But yeah, it's that podcast. And man,
Okay, wait. While we're on the continue with your
okay.
Yeah.
And like I'm getting a sponsor, man. Like we're looking for a good sponsor this year. I feel like God is gonna be with us this year.
So do you think you won't be using Crystal Bear?
I feel like Crystal Bear is still gonna be there, but we need a proper sponsor.
Okay.
Like
Like
we need a proper, yeah.
But I mentioned that, dog.
Chilla's panty menze. Chilla's panty menze. Shout
But then,
out, but
yeah,
yeah.
on the whilst we're on the
The podcast, the post group.
yes, I'm getting talking about post groove experiences and whatnot. Is it like groove experiences?
Yeah, so basically, Post Groove, aka PG Podcast,
Yeah.
is going to be basically all about like, I feel like artists in the game don't actually talk about like the experience they get at Groove.
Yeah.
So basically, it's gonna be all about that, like your worst, your best, your least, your favorite, like any experience in Groove.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to be talking about that. We're going to be having guests talking about how this day at Grove went, what party was that. Also promoting local events. We're going to be keeping people in the loop with what event is coming next, how can you get tickets, like that. Yeah, and this is a little bit surprise, but like, yeah, I think I should say it anyway. If you're going to have like an artist guest, we're thinking of chaperoning a smaller live performance so that we come up with something new within the podcast game. So
Because
yeah.
that's also what we wanted to do, but then time.
You know, Chila Nami is stealing ideas.
Ay.
Just because they're about to have a baby
I know,
podcast
but
coming
then
up.
I don't
You want to make sure that.
No, we wanted to do it for DJs, not
For DJs,
Yeah, for
okay,
DJs.
yeah.
And Kirwabo now we have this welcome pod,
Yeah.
Katlicious. Gasway.
Shout out to
This welcome
studio.
thing here, the reception. We're gonna put it there, and after
yeah.
we're
That would
gonna
be
call it
dope.
Chila
I
Nami
feel like-
session.
I feel like that would be dope because like when I was busy drafting the structure say supposed group,
Yeah.
it was a matter of saying what can we come back with that's
Yeah.
new. Me, I'm tired of listening to niggas talk for an hour. You say, guys, you are fake,
Guys
I'm
know
not
it's
going to
you.
do. I'm tired of listening to niggas talk for an hour.
Yeah, just talking.
Like
Yeah.
just talking for an hour. Like, why are we talking for an hour like that much? We have segments. We can talk. I mean, we can have this session for like 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Then we know the last 20 minutes of the episode.
But then I was not gonna do it like that. I wanna like
You're gonna have a separate show.
a separate show for this
Okay.
shit. Like, you wanna drop a so after that, we just get drinks and everything. We set up
Keep
the
blomas.
sound. Keep blomas, boy. Yeah.
Okay,
Chila
that's, one
Nami
of the
sessions.
that's one of the things you guys must look forward
Yeah,
to.
look forward to. Yeah,
Yes,
no,
yeah.
please,
Yeah.
because I'm gonna be the first DJ there, and then maybe it's gonna be me and Popeye and Spinach. Popeye and Spinach.
Popeye and Spinach.
Yeah,
Popeye and
so,
Spinach there, man.
We definitely
Popeye and
gonna
Spinach
do
is
this.
taking over the world this year, but fair to watch the spaces.
Kicks not you, Bashana.
Yeah.
Mtembe.
Ooh,
My money
damn.
is on them.
Ooh, damn.
I know. Me and Pretty
They
Boy
best-
are hot. We are hot.
They won Best Newcomer last year.
Wait.
Best Newcomer on these awards that were happening in the Instagram. I'm sorry, I don't have all my
yeah.
facts with me right now, but yeah, there were some awards that were being held on TikTok and people had to vote. And Cake
it's never
Sandy,
seen my tongue.
Cake
Good
Sandy
screen,
actually
eh?
came out best newcomer. So
newcomer,
shout out
yeah,
to
because-
them. But they had let's talk dog. They had a great year.
Yeah, they did.
They had a great year
They were playing here, Kadi 27.
talk from being booked
Yeah.
to playing on air
Looking good.
to being on those are other people's girlfriends, by the way. So
Kikena kai mo.
relax, dog. I work with those people.
Seka Stina. Anempen Stina mo.
Relax. Those are my colleagues.
Telung Stina lapho mfethu.
Relax.
Your colleagues.
Your colleagues.
Oh, now it's like that now.
Now I'm singing.
We're moving in territories.
Yeah, wala.
Shade like chickens. Those are my.
No, just kidding. Yeah.
Shout out Cakes and Lee.
Oh yeah, please let them know if they're gonna come to the podcast. Man. They
Hey, man,
don't take stuff serious.
We'll have
Like,
to speak to the manager. You know?
Yeah.
They have to speak to the manager.
they have
and
to
see
come. They don't have a
what's the-
chance.
Oh, yeah, but like all love Cakes and me, man. We love you out here, chilling on podcast. You know. Yeah.
While we're on that note, let's talk about people who are prominent right now. You see my man.
Orkan Broncos call me. You see my money. Hey man, what do you think about that
You see my
album?
man.
Though?
He released. I was
What do you think about that album?
Ini
though?
Kamalayo. Baby Thai.
Mm.
EP.
Yeah.
I even listened to it.
Listen. But you're not a hip hop head like that.
I'm
I
not.
understand.
I was.
You were.
Yeah. I was. Eish.
Usimamani asikankhola nje. Now I feel like what he did was just humility, honesty, and like I'm more to read that man. Like, I like authentic things. Like, I know it doesn't feel authentic to me. I feel like it's pushing him, it's working. But then I think even if he listens to his own sound, he knows.
Because yeah, he does sound like Nasty C. And then because
Allegedly.
the first time allegedly he does. The first time I heard You See My Man,
What if Uzi is actually an AI rap and we're just not sure about it?
and I've never seen him in real life. I also said the same thing last year. The only thing when I was like, if you see me in real life out there, it's not me, it's AI.
Yeah, for real, guys. It's not us. Like, you know, we live a different life than
What you
behind
are
the
on
scenes
camera.
than
Yeah.
what we are on camera.
Because
It's
I don't
crazy.
speak English like this.
Hey man, it's all man. Kira, now we need to cater for other audiences. We got
Yeah,
to complain
you see.
last year of like using too much the
I'm
neck,
trying. Lin.
So, yeah, I'm trying. I hope
My-
PD has a memo for this
He
year.
knows. I told him. And get up last time, Baba up the team.
No,
Ay man, fusek Baba tunjile man.
Shut up.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
yeah. He complained about that shit.
Yeah.
English every day.
Yo,
Jalo
boy.
was shoot.
Yeah, I feel it.
But then anyway, you see my man. So when you listen to the EP,
Briefly, what I can say is finally a body of work.
it's nice.
I'm not saying it's not, I'm just saying finally a body of work. Finally, Uzi
elaborate.
gives us something in a while.
Oh,
I feel like it's been a while since we've heard from Uzi.
ugcine kavala.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's-
bekashawa.
yeah, it's nice to still see that he's in the music and
So
stuff.
who did he feature there?
Hey, hey, boy, me, I was
Okay.
listening. I didn't want to see Postco. Talk about it on Postco.
Yeah.
So yeah, when it comes to the music, I mean, it's Usi My Money. For me, I just felt like it was another Usi My Money album. Nothing too crazy. What other streamers are saying though online is crazy, man. I think
Man, so Nabila said something. Ne?
I don't know yet, but I saw OK Switch had something. OK Swisher had something to say about it. Ish.
I should speed you share something. Ankiri was here, fella.
What are chat? What you saying, chat?
Yeah,
Yo,
man,
Speed,
that boy,
this is the best
it's about
energy
equipment.
drink from
Wait.
Black Owned South Africa. Chat, you good chat? What's happening, chat? Hey,
Mara,
no,
did you see like equipment
so-
high?
Yeah, it's dope.
Oh,
It's the crew, man.
equipment and done.
Crew, man.
Bro,
Here's a pretty dope team.
Bruh, oh Mara, I think by the cameraman here, drone pilot here high. He left in the middle of the tour. Like my fuck when son.
Yo, I'm upbeat.
Gijima kakhulu man.
Upbeat.
Umshiye in the middle of I think Kenya.
Oh, watch out. We also have a drone tech this year. See, Joanne?
Yeah, as I was saying,
Yeah.
the problem is and I cannot feel good sound there.
Yeah.
Okay.
You came to.
That's why I'm long it's new one. What I was saying is most kids bashawa elected because ultimately taking your mics and your setup, our camera and everything, and then when people pass, you know that judgmental look.
Mental thing.
Yeah, and I think it's killing youth, yala, because talent is bad. Right now, manga chov intwana nje umrapper like she. ngimguy space lana ngithi host for come rap. He's gonna have that abantu bazothini type of shit. Yeah, like sing a rap ama phambi kwabantu. You see that thing, yeah. And I think it's killing the youth right now.
It is killing us to an extent, man. But I feel like it's more you thing.
You also have to get over it.
Yeah,
That's the
like
thing.
get
Yeah.
over it, boy. Like
Yeah.
if you wanna shoot content, pull up
Shoot.
that camera in the
Yeah.
middle of the mall, shoot your vlog, dog.
And there's something I also wanna do, ne?
Yeah. I'm
wanna-
vlogging hard this year, boy. Like
I mean,
this year I
if
wanna vlog
vlogging is
hard.
not for me, that's the thing. Ne?
I wanna vlog hard.
I don't know. Shooter sometimes. You know when we're going somewhere, ne? And then I forgot to take
man,
a video.
that's how content is.
That's the
dog.
thing.
Like,
I
we only
forgot.
shoot when we vibe to nice things. I won't shoot no alarm.
That's
Yeah.
the point.
Yeah. That's the point.
Eh, could be-
I got
Hakatsi.
it. And again, it's a one of one. It's
Okay,
a one
yeah.
of one.
I almost said, "Khona le ngiyibonile, mara, okay,
One of
let's
one.
give him that." But then,
One of one.
isn't it? I wanna. Now I'm not considering it vlogging. I wanna do but you know, a trip check.
Do you wanna do drip checks?
Mara I pack off.
What do you pack off for? Drip check, yeah, you go do. Just do.
Ne? Yeah. Please don't take this idea. It's already trademark.
You know these niggas. See
So
something
shy.
on the net, they do it better. Ask
Yeah,
people.
that's the thing. I'm gonna find a kid there in Unale Kuya
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
right now, as much as we inspired the idea, just follow it respectfully.
Oh, I know. Another thing, I won't be doing it at other people's park offs first. I am gonna host my own park offs.
Yeah, baby.
That's the thing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
baby.
I forgot to say hard.
Lineup is gonna be too crazy, man.
Line up. Line up ya rona ke dikoloi.
Come on, nigga.
Ntwana.
Come on. That's the thing, though.
I see the space that we have right now.
This is what I hate about park offs. At park offs, now I'm listening to J League.
Yeah.
The other guy is playing Ushimaiman. The
Yeah.
other guy is playing. Come on.
But that's the whole point. It's about you saying.
Yeah,
Remember when you were in high
Park
school?
off is for cars.
You remember when you
Play
were in high
one
school?
DJ.
Ne? No, listen. You remember when we were in high school?
Yeah.
And then there was this thing like, you remember that vibe? No
Yeah.
sound, mara. It sound the color motor. That vibe was nice, true. So like,
Why can't we have one car that plays one sound?
so now who's gonna say my car is louder than all of y'all?
Competition.
Mara, we need to get that. Kanje ibiza nga ilimbo.
What's a lembo?
Aniyazi lento le. Ayophola Copeti.
Oh yeah.
And then-
Oh, they are
Anke ngithoka limbo ka Sekgowa.
Yeah.
Let's
Limbo.
try ilimbo bar.
Let's try limbo.
For e-mod. Ankere for competition thing.
Yeah.
Whose car is the lowest? After I get that, I think you
Hi
can
guys,
go else park.
can I short guy syndrome? Just penis.
Can I know you go else park there? I want to try high jump. Yeah, close to
Yeah.
high jump. Yeah. I think if it goes missing, panic.
Sadobazi ukuthi nami ngiyazi
Uzoyithola
ukuthi
la.
ihambe nobani.
And then on other news, who's DJ Mac, Joe? Yeah,
Sesiyahayisa ngoba basibukele DJ
DJ Meg.
Meg. Never heard of him.
It's a girl.
Never heard of her. I'm sorry.
Right now, she got King South Africa's King emerging artist of to watch this year. I can't see like you cover corners news.
Odlalang.
Akitsi,
KDJ,
DJ.
she takes out the clothes, definitely, I'm sure.
Mara here she's wearing
Eh?
the picture. She's wearing.
Very-
Yeah.
It's professional, I'm sure.
But then,
DJ, I think
how are you South Africa's emerging artist to watch in the year? Ka January singakwazi already.
I think TikTok during December.
Or the live stream what one. Eli Pretty Poetry was doing the same thing, eh? He just
Yeah,
mixes with
yeah.
hot,
Oh.
yeah. The live
I
TikTok mixes.
saw them.
Yeah, that was hot. No, I didn't do anything this December. The only thing I did was
And Zap, your this Zap.
I was busy. No, I was zipping, not on the dance floor, somewhere else.
Somewhere else.
Nagi zepa agijuluki snacks.
Shisa.
Yeah, that was it. I think like I'm still complaining about the DJ Mac thing. Asmaz, Mara, medicine
Yeah.
card. Or that's what it means to be the emerging artist of the year.
Useza.
Mara image over the page namaninga nje.
I think it's a view of the public.
Oh, and
I wanna know what does she do though.
she's a DJ.
Like
DJ
yeah, what
Meg.
does she play?
Maybe hip hop. She looks. Let me show you the picture.
Okay,
She
you
looks
can
like
never-
she's dancing for hip hop. Yeah.
You can never
Like,
know.
ooh, yabo.
You can never know. I'm short.
She
Yeah.
looks like Boma hip hop
If she's not hip hop, she might be Afro tech. I'm just guessing.
Me.
Just guessing.
Yeah, I think I'll do my research guy.
Sabona next week. Shout out to
And
her,
then-
man. If she's emerging singer Mazi, hopefully
We'll
this
know.
year some Mazi.
Yeah.
Shout out to her, man.
Because like I was being cool, I'm like, okay, I am puzzled by the imaging.
And I hope she's not gonna become another
Uncle Waffles.
dog like ish dog. Like
Guys see that I'm sure they've spoken about it, but I didn't get a podcast. I didn't hear about it.
Yeah.
She's skinny again. What do you think going there?
Cool.
right. No, leave my wife alone. Love you, Afla.
Yeah, so what's skinny happen?
Yeah. You know, like what? Like now I'm married because you also know the cash. And now it looks, you know, like she was proper. You know, Now she's like.
Ariana Grande type shit.
Nah, she can't be.
Ariana Grande type shit.
guys.
No, not that thin, but something is wrong. Maybe stress.
Maybe stress. You can have money, but you can't keep a man. Sometimes
Like-
about like
Like
it
I
will
was
stress
saying,
you.
like as before Uncle Af, dog, I have a big problem, dog. You have a big, you. And it hurts me, dog.
Come in.
Like I don't understand why every South African female DJ needs to shake ass, bro.
Female.
Female,
Kicks and
dog.
Lee don't do that.
No, nah, I'm not sure if those like upcoming. I'm talking about like
Enka Pete doesn't do that.
the commercial DJs, like the
Oh.
big DJs, dog. No, dog. I
Ah,
was
sign came
recently on the 16th of December. I was at Kwakoko on top.
Oh, go.
Yeah, shout out, Devin Gogo. I really had fun there. Now, time, every DJ that came on stage, even the vocalist, dog,
We're shaking hands.
they were shaking
But
ass, bro.
except for Coco. ne?
Sorry, but fix. I need to take this one. Oh, Bambaza.
Oh, about Bazan.
Bambaza.
No, no, pause the camera for Baz.
Bambaza.
So everyone is shaking hands there. Busy.
Hey, bro, I'm a busy person, dog. Like this year, Shapas Never Productions, give out somewhere else.
Yeah. Karanga pressa AK47 mara.
Bazoizwa.
Yeah, so we're on the chat, vele,
Yeah,
yeah.
boy, I'm still warming up your seat, boy.
Let's go back to the chat. Yeah.
Yeah, boy, the female DJs.
Mara Coco
I feel
didn't
like-
shake her ass. Man. She did. Oh,
Ah,
Coco.
Devin Gogo doesn't do that shit.
Oh, Antoine.
Did you?
No way.
Anthony, you're there. You don't have to.
How? You were there. Just tell us. Was she shaking her ass?
I respect Devin Coco and I love you, Coco, but I'm not gonna say anything for this one. Yeah, but like female DJs love shaking ass, dog, and that's a problem for me, cause like I feel like if they don't shake ass, it's not like we wanna stop saying, go.
So Coco did.
You understand? It's like
Coco bekakuza.
no, she wasn't doing it as explicit as other DJs did.
Yeah.
But when Bougie was on stage, she also went to dance with Bougie and she sharpened a little shape.
Oh, obvious. She will do that to support
Yeah,
you
sir.
in your grind. Yeah.
But like, I feel like female DJs should do more.
Hey.
I feel like female DJs should do more. Give us performances.
You
Man.
know
Like,
what's the funny part?
give us a kamumpela, bro.
Do you know why they actually shake their ass?
Why?
Because they can't DJ. Oh, have you ever heard Tulipongolo mix? No.
Nah, I've never listened to her.
No.
It's trash.
Trash is bad. I don't know what that
What
is.
is? Ooh.
Rubbish. The whole dumpster.
Like
Like
me-
yabona mo balahlelang teng di-dustbin kaofela.
Yeah.
Like ama-truck lawa la tampa kon dumping site mixing ya hae boy. Yeah. Kak.
Yo, my Louise.
That side.
Kak
Yeah.
dog. Kak.
I dog. Me, I feel like if these female DJs could like invest on
The craft
the
itself.
not even a craft itself, but like performance-wise, you don't need to shake. Look at Kamumpela, bro. Kamumpela
Have you
gives.
seen the most recent music video? Go la le mo dlalang ka matswele.
Obvious, that's the music video.
Ah, tlola mncwa. Ankere no
Boy,
nonne no. Like she's proper non now.
Boys, that's the
She was
music
better
video. Listen up, that's the music video.
Also music video you're allowed to check
For
it.
me, obviously, the music video must have hits, it must say. I'm talking about like performance, dog. Like
Yeah.
we seeing you live.
Yeah.
We seeing you live. Come on, man.
Mara as a female DJ ne.
You know, performing for people's boyfriends.
Yeah.
Dog, actually, while I'm in the crowd, yeah, Bruce is shaking ass there. Pam, 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 pam. There's this Bruce is with his hand. His hand is literally looking at him like this.
You're watching, man.
Mntwana is
Ah, now I paid my 500
Boy.
I can't even look at that
Boy.
as 1 year baby gay share but
Boy.
to fake.
I got shout out Kwakoko, yo, that was a nice fucking production.
Yeah.
Well, yo, like the only problem there was
The shaking.
was the soil, bro.
What?
The soil, like where we at, was fucking muddy, dog.
Oh, because of the rain.
Yo, it was fucking muddy. It didn't rain that day.
So manje.
I don't understand how it became muddy. And it wasn't the only festival in December where people were complaining about how muddy these events get. Do they like pour water there on the grass before we come? 'Cause
And I
like,
think I'd rather have it muddy than dust. What's about dust? Like la jump. What's about when there's a mosh pit?
Nah,
And then la jump
man.
and dust yapagama. And you think into
it's not like these places, they don't host them at like places where they're like dusty.
why am I
like
such
that.
concrete? Like I don't understand. Like, how do you choose a place where there's dust? Like get a ground.
Have you been to a Limpopo party?
Did you see that?
Like no cap, have you been to a Limpopo party? Have you been to a Limpopo party? I thought you must go to a Limpopo party at the tavern. Boy! Dog. Yo! Yo!
And the dust I'm sure.
Yo!
No, there's this video out here, I think Mozambique or somewhere.
Yeah.
Adlala peanuts. I think it go Guyana bilana. Nkare ke shibelane
Yeah.
without the vocals.
Diawa.
Se ground ile yabona ground ya mompono ngijang. Se ground ile kunendle encane.
Yeah.
Bese like kola ma out. They all tanga itek. Kwel dust.
Excuse me.
U DJ bayamkhayisa le mkhayisa ine dust.
Dusty.
Naye makathi dust. Yonke into dust la. Usaba nokugunya amathi mo lapha ya dog. Like I saw that shit I'm like yabona la
Dusty.
la batho they're gonna pay me 34,000
Yeah.
ukuzala decking njalo ne. I would never agree. Mina pofela motho yi. Ema ba lo ba around. DJ na into ngifikile ntawo. Kola base ayibuda yo.
Wabona ka.
Ayikhohla ntwana. Mara I think what we are missing right now in the performance area ke yona ntho njalo. When you don't have fun in these things man.
Authenticity, man. Like
Yeah.
everybody's doing it for the girls and the likes and the fame, dog. When last did you see a DJ stand on top of the decks and fucking sharp ass with each other?
DJs. Other DJ, these females do that. What
They,
you're talking
they
about?
can do that, but not shake ass.
just
Guys,
in
me,
the
I'm
middle,
sorry.
just
I'm against you guys shaking your asses at performances. I mean, you guys have beautiful bodies. You don't want to body shame you guys, but like, it needs to come to an end, man. What happened? What happened to like real fun, dog? Like girls used to dance, man.
Mopola twas.
Baby. Now all you guys want to do is twerk, dog.
Do you remember
I'm
that lady,
tired.
Joe?
I'm tired of seeing people shake ass.
Yeah. Do you
I
remember
mean,
that
we
lady?
love your shaking ass, but like,
Twas.
do it in other places.
Twas.
Twas.
Amopola twas netsa.
Aksuyo
Kana ke mang na hosta jika maji?
utwasa no. Who's that lady?
Man? Oh.
Jika Majika. Tembi used to be host.
Yo. Jika maji. Yeah, same said there. You're right. Yeah.
Who was the J?
Who?
Jizzy. Looking like a man there.
I know she was not nice looking that time.
Hey, that's my coach. That's my coach.
But then how was she?
I played my coach.
Remember those days, man. Those days were fun.
Those days were
Mara
fun.
limbona thembi said to call team.
I haven't watched the new
Don't.
season. The new season.
Don't.
Yeah, but he said what didn't support. It's where
The row.
it's where
Dog, you ain't old enough to be our mom, though.
Yeah.
You ain't old enough to be our mom, though.
Who?
Tim.
So because of that, that's mama. I made some say, you. It's not my
Yeah.
mother.
Think that you safe, then you're not safe.
Who? Because of age.
Hide your mom.
Yeah. Not every mom is hot.
Hide your mom.
Hide your hot moms. Yeah.
This nigga is seeing me now. Doesn't care.
Hide your hot moms.
Hide your hot mom.
Yeah. You better hand.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, don't take this. I'm gonna brand it. Hide your hot mom.
moms. We out here.
.com.
We out here, dog. Yeah, because like, okay, wait. Right now, let's say you find a sugar mama, like, Timbi said type of vibe. Hey. Wow, patala. You know
Woo.
patala or badge. You poor badge, and it's
Woo.
not paying. Yeah. Would you say no? So, okay, wrong for not Timbi said, think I'm myself. Just because public figure.
But yeah, I hear you. I hear you.
Aye, nahana. Njalo mina yithi skip man njalo. Hayi. Now I'm tired. I'm going to Sentin. Lolu lami la yabona kulali ayifina ni Sentin ke yabona Melrose Arc. Ko Jacobs Corner.
Yeah.
Sihle kulo blow mana. Gonna sit there, take out my laptop.
Just edit, man.
Yeah, edit to create the charts. Can not go for them. But what are you doing there, sir? I'm just analyzing.
Just analyze. It's a different world.
Sharpa slurp.
Different world.
Coffee lapo yimbi.
Boy. Boy.
Oh, mara nights bang kaitsang.
Mara le bona batho ba bantse re rata dilo man. Like we like things.
Oh, nang kaitsela vodka. Yeah. Because like, I don't see the point of just having to just keep mine.
Any New Year's resolutions? Winging it this year.
So bona pambi.
Winging it.
I think people realize good than their New Year's resolutions.
I'm not gonna say anything. I wanna say anything. Staying alive.
Yeah.
So that all the things that are in my head, I do them.
Yeah. Basically, that's the New Year's resolution for this year.
Just staying alive.
Just do
man.
it.
Just do it.
Yeah. Like, I don't know. Yeah.
Hey man, I wanna be a fancy brewer this year, man.
You wanna be what?
I wanna be a fancy brewer.
A fancy brew.
Yeah, like I wanna do things that gassy brews don't do, dog. Like go to dinner, you know.
Pussy wine class, boy.
Dog, pussy wine class, boy. Like
That's the funniest shit ever, ne? Because wine nigga say pussy wine class. Pussy wine mamagi, amapu.
You know.
Last time rona ne re ena ka di cup tse kana tsa ngwabo tse like.
Instead of going to groove, go on dates.
Now I'm
Take a
good
young
with
mommy
food,
out.
Yeah, good with food.
Go jabo filamanye, sushi nyana.
What's our jola?
You know. I joke. I feel like life doesn't make sense without being in a relationship.
Ask me, I've been single for a long time. It does make
It's
sense.
nice being single for those couple of months, but eventually you wanna get lonely. You wanna want to have a companion next to your side.
That happens only like in once in like 4 months only. Like, can't how many years ago single in Panaka? Yeah, 4 or 5 years, ne? Yeah.
Man.
I've been single. Mara, you know what's the problem about being single that long, ne? Hey, you catch bodies, you.
Catch bodies.
I caught a lot of bodies.
That's another thing. I don't want to stay single for too long. Soul ties and don't need.
Soul ties. Oh, you believe in that?
Yeah,
No, I don't.
I'm a dozy child. Shout out to the dozy.
I'm also a close child, but I don't believe in soul ties. I've been with a lot of women. None of them have their souls in me.
Took their souls out.
I read so that. My brother, anything you want to say before we close? Because
Hey man, what I want to say
this was
is
only
that
welcoming, Mos.
This was a welcome. This
Yeah.
wasn't an official episode.
I
We're
think
just yapping today.
We couldn't even get Crystal Bear.
Yeah, you
So
see,
we
yeah,
just
it
go
wasn't an
drink anywhere
official
else.
episode.
Yeah.
But yeah, what I want to say is that welcome back. It's 2026. Chilanam is coming in hotter, harder.
From here, it's just.
Yeah, we're just going.
Is it
Skyrocket.
up or down?
We're going up, boy.
Now I'm saying down because Yashalela.
Oh, slippery
Everyone is going up. You're working hard. From love.
Tina, okay, we're going down.
Yeah.
We're going down. I'm gonna have fire guests. We're gonna have proper production. Even though production is gonna change this year, things gonna become very, 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 very
We need
nice.
to
So,
fix the cut.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Even proper production, man. Yeah, man. You know I'm the friend of the podcast. It's a boy, Kati to the team.
Yeah, but King Chilana Bangani.
T4 in Gubo Baba, and see you when you see me the next time I'm on the pod.
There's something I wanted to say before I close, man.
Yeah.
There's a game that I invented. Okay, I didn't invent it.
Also, me, I don't get to play the game.
Nah, we'll play it, Mashad, next time. Just, Ankiri, that's the thing.
See you on episode 49.
Nah, you can promise us next week even if we have an operator.
Nah, man, I
today,
think people are gonna get tired of seeing my face. I feel like I missed the production side of everything now. Yeah, ish.
And plus, these days we won't have Nick
hopefully
around.
they'll let me edit this year. I don't know, but
You want to edit?
Hopefully they would let me edit. I don't know.
This is
to
my
manage
brother. Now I said if you want to edit, you can take the things and edit. You never said.
man, but I'm still waiting for a proper software
Oh.
to edit it and all.
I gave you the software.
No, there's a one that I went to school for, man. And so
No,
I
no,
want to
no,
use that
school.
one, man.
I didn't go to school for any of these things, Mara. Here I am. You see now, that's the problem. We were talking about the same thing, sis.
Wenzani?
Abo kana ke mang soa matrix le bokazo. The
Sorry,
difference
that's
between
perspective.
the difference between soa matrix le kazo.
Yeah.
Soa matrix nka go yela se duetse skena dai. For some reason
Yeah.
because bala lo mbitsa go di gela man, go di posting, go di what.
The tolerate is
Yeah.
something for it.
But then that's why he's stuck in one sound. Talent and books. Hey, boo.
Hey,
Okay, I know guys, let's close. Yeah, oh, the game. Say it with your chest before we close.
say with your chest.
Yeah. So basically what you're gonna be doing, like for the last maybe 20 minutes of the podcast. I don't know, actually time hand. But according to AI, that's 20 minutes.
Yeah.
You're gonna use you're gonna have a statement. Statements are things you don't explain it, you don't do anything.
Yeah.
You just say it, and then we're gonna either stand with you or disagree. So if we disagree, and then why we disagree with your statement, and then if we agree, fade sharp, yeah, we'll tell you why also. And then when you have to give context and verdict after. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, cool, man.
But then no name.
Hope you guys are ready for saying with your chest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pralitos. Baba ya mukas phela upralitos. Ya mara ke ya. Hayi mina kankundi. Ngithe ibaba yasekhasi.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Baba Sekas, shout out.
Yes. Pralitos.
Come
Yeah,
get
but
your
then yeah, that's all for now. I think
for
we'll be
today, man.
back. We'll be back next week, obviously.
Obviously.
I get to work right thinking.
See you next week on
you
another
next week,
episode
my
of
Chila
Nami.
I know siyabonga bafethu siyabonga. Yo.
It's a wrap.
Like every episode we rasa jalo ntwana. Every episode ayikwala. It's a rap like